Most people get this wrong when trying to open a bank account without an SSN. They assume it's impossible, or that banks will instantly reject them. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, you can legally open a bank account without an SSN if you use the right documents and the right type of bank. In this video, you will learn exactly how to open a bank account without an SSN step by step, what documents you need, and how people are successfully doing it, even as non-citizens, students, or new arrivals. Let's get right into it. First, understand why banks ask for an SN. It is mainly for identity verification and tax reporting. So when Alex moves to a new country or doesn't have an SSN yet, the bank still needs another way to confirm who he is. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many banks actually allow alternatives like an ITIN, passport, visa, or government-issued foreign ID. But here's the problem most beginners face. They walk into the wrong type of bank and ask for an account without understanding requirements. Then they get rejected and assume it's not possible. Let's break down the step-by-step process. Step 1 is choose the right type of bank. Not all banks allow non-SSN accounts. International friendly banks, credit unions, and some online banks are more flexible. If John is a newcomer, this step is critical. Step 2 is prepare your documents. At minimum, you usually need a valid passport. Many banks also accept visa documents, proof of address, and sometimes an ITIN if you have one. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make with address proof that causes instant rejection. Step 3 is visit the bank or apply online, if available. Some banks allow online applications, but many require in-person verification if you do not have an SSN. Step 4 is clearly explain your situation. Be honest. Tell them you do not have an SSN yet but have legal identification and want to open a basic account. Step 5 is complete identity verification. This may include security questions, document checks, or biometric verification, depending on the bank. Now let's talk real-world example. Alex moves to the US as a student. He does not have an SSN yet, but he uses his passport and visa documents to open a checking account at an international friendly bank. Within a short time, he is fully banking like a local resident. So is it really possible to open a bank account without an SSN in 2026? Yes, but only if you choose the right bank and provide the correct documents. Here are the key steps to remember. First, choose the right bank. Second, prepare proper identification. Third, provide proof of address. Fourth, apply correctly either online or in person. To wrap it up, not having an SN is not a barrier. The real issue is not knowing which banks accept alternatives and how to apply properly. If this helped you, like the video, comment your situation, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you navigate banking and finance without confusion.